everyone, it's coffee time. Just follow the simple recipe to make cafe style cold coffee with ease. For this, add 3 tablespoons of coffee powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of warm water to 1 cup of chilled milk. Blend it in the mixer and serve it. Your cold coffee is ready. Try this recipe at once and beat the summer with your homemade cold coffee. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you until next video. Bye.